Hey, what's up, guys? Just about to go to bed. Just chill on the couch. Watching Sardine. I don't know what it's about, but I've seen boobs. But it's up a hot one. So I'm building a stealth cabinet. Just check it out. We've got about 6 plants in there now.